Good morning, guys. What's going on? So, yesterday it snowed, and there's a little bit of ice, bud. I didn't get to catch it. It's snowing right now, literally, but I didn't get to catch it on camera because it was raining too much. I didn't want my GoPro to get all wet, so yeah, that's why I didn't record anything yesterday. But me and my sister are catching an Uber right now. Yeah, bud, we're catching an Uber. And he's 6 minutes away. But yeah, we're gonna go to my dad's. We're gonna go see Charlie. And I think I'm gonna mess around with the tractor a little bit because it wasn't running right yesterday when I was plowing. Maybe I'll since not, maybe I'll try to go hit some clouds to a little bit of snow so you guys can see it. All right. Okay. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright, guys, so he's 2 minutes away. Come here, Ariana. And the gray Honda. He's 2 minutes. Oh shit, it's a shortstop. Look at that.
Your sign? Or are you just sitting there? And then where is bro?
It looks fun. I'm in the car. Oh, there he is. He's moving now, gang. Man. Yeah, I do like outdoor living. It's the best thing though, because if when I go to a job, if something ever happens, I have everything on camera, so they can't say. Yeah.
That's when I go out because I
yeah,
need more money.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a problem with this one in the snow.
Oh man, Ariana, this is not good. Guys, look at this. This is all black ice. Whoa, man. Charles, Charlie, come on, let's go inside, buddy. Yeah, bro, let's look it over here.
Who paid for it?
Me. Charlene!
How much was it?
It was like $10. You were like, yeah, my bro. He almost got into an accident.
Bro, this
I have it on camera.
Bro, he went.
Lane. Oh boy, you're a good boy, Charles. That's just. So this is what I'm working with, guys. It ain't looking too hot, I gotta say. I don't know if I want to walk through here, man. I ain't gonna hold you. Let's go. I want to go check the backyard though, see if any of it melted. I bet you it didn't. See all my boot tracks from yesterday. That shit was brutal, man. I had no time. Oh my god, this is bad. I gotta put salt here. I didn't even have time to do any of this because I was so busy. So, wow, this is very dangerous. Never do this, guys. The gate was frozen. Oh my god, no way. Oh my god. Look at the quad. Look at the ice on this thing. See, should I see if she cranks over? I don't know. Think it will? It might. I don't know. What's the choke? I can't find the choke. There it is. Wow. Ain't no way, bud. Oh man. Alrighty, guys. It's coldy. I'm gonna throw some rock salt down because my dad asked me to. Because this is a killing spot. Pretty much. But before I do that, I just want to take my glove off for a second. Because I'm gonna go start the quad. Not the quad, I'm so stupid. I'm gonna go start the tractor. Let's see if I can go clean up that because that's not right. I got Yeezys on, so I'm gonna be careful. But just trying to see if I can clean some stuff up here, bud. There's a tractor right there. Oh man, people won't stop texting me. Man. Oh, somebody's down there trying to, sorry guys, I just want to check the battery on my GoPro. Okay, 50%. I'm gonna go ahead, put this glove back on, and we're gonna fire this thing up. Hopefully it starts. I'm hoping. I kind of just covered it up quick yesterday. I had no time. I had no time before I left. So it should come right out. Yeah, there you go, bud. Before I start it, got rock salt all over it. I used this thing a lot yesterday. Just want to check the gas real quick, bud. See if I have enough. Ooh, yeah, we should probably fill up some gas. So we'll fill up with some gas when I get up there. Just see if it'll fire. Alright, plow is tilted right now, which is not the best. Oh man. Choke. Oh. Okay. Alright. It's cold. Yeah, it ain't liking it, guys. I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna be able to drive this thing. Might be because it's out of gas, but I'm gonna let it run and go get the gas tank. Alright, let's go get the gas tank. Fill her up. Need some of this rock salt here, bud. I'm gonna try to get it, the gas tank before it, see, I put rock salt here. It's good. Well, I didn't put rock salt there. I don't think so. Why that melt is so good. Just throw some rock salt in this joint. Let me just get some more rock salt, bud. Hopefully it's not frozen. Nah, it ain't frozen. Not yet, it ain't. I can salt this whole walkway here, bud. Cause it ain't too slow. Those stairs are dangerous, man. So I throw salt on. Salt here. Bunch of salt, man. I'm laying a bunch. See, by the time I leave, this will clear up. Hopefully. Hopefully it'll clear up. Hopefully she'll clear up. Try not to get too dirty here. Just want to lay some salt, that's it. A lot. Still, tractor sounds like it's running great now. So that's good. Alright, get some more here. Hopefully, that'll help her out. Hopefully it'll help her out a little bit, bud. Throw some salt here too. I'll get. I don't think the tractor's gonna push anything today. There's my gas tank over there, which I kind of left out, which is kind of stupid of me. At least it's frozen, so it's not. Oh. is this stuff frozen? Don't tell me it's frozen, man. Come on. Tractor's running, you can probably hear it over there. But I don't got too much gas. I'm not running out. I'm not doing that today. Let's see how much gas I got. Let's see if it's frozen or not. Oh, man. I guess I'll put some in. I can hear it's running out of gas already. Literally. I hear it. Man. Doesn't sound frozen. Sounds all freed up to me. Yeah, it's all freed up. I don't hear any ice, nothing. That's good. Best thing is, salt gives you a little more traction here now. Not too much, but it's helping though. I'll tell you that. It's already melting it. Look at that, bud. Put a lot of fucking salt in. That's good. At least it's melting it. Yeah, the tractor had a little issue here yesterday. She got stuck there, but wasn't too fun. It's running good. You see if I lower the throttle, it bogs. Yeah, yesterday I was doing that. No, they ain't bogging anymore. Sounds great now. Huh. That's pretty weird. Yesterday was bogging and stuff. I don't know. I don't know what happened, but today's working good. Let's put some gas in her, man. A little bit of gas I have left, that's it. Right there, guys. Hey, don't die on me. Don't die on me, girl. They're running really good, actually. It's running very good. Let's take it for a spin, guys. See if I can get her out of here. Alright, put her in gear. But we're getting her out. All right. Pushing it even though the ice. I can't believe it's still pushing it, man. What a strong beast, huh? Oh man, what a beast this thing is. There was a car park here yesterday, so I couldn't move it. Super good today. Yeah, I love this thing, man. I really do. I don't think the plow's getting high enough. It should be, though. It's touching the ground. Let me see. Yeah, those bolts are loose. That's why. Shit. Pretty much touching the ground, so gotta be careful with that. That's about it. Everything else good. It's touching the ground, literally. And I had to plow up. It should be right there. I don't even need to lower, it's always down. bolts there. I can take it off, and we can go have some fun, I guess. But man, that really sucks. I ain't gonna lie. Let's go take the plow off. fucking, what am I stuck on? I don't understand. It's just the ice, man. I'm gonna unbolt the plow here, I think. It's super tight now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix this. Fix this. I want to go park her, but she's stuck here. Man. Let's try to, like, I can't drive it without being on it because the seat sensor. So, let me try to figure something out. Try to figure something out here if I can get it unstuck. Or something's gonna have to get it unstuck. Pushing on my feet. Baby, we're drifting. Here's today's title. I crashed my tractor. That is the title pretty much. Oh, let's check out. I hope the grass is good. I got stuck right here. Yeah, it's fine. It didn't rip it up. It was just spinning on top of the ice. It's good. Just the snow's gone. It's kind of a mess right now, guys. I have anybody help me yesterday, so it's kind of tough for me. You know, I can't do the best job, but I tried. And let me see if this ice is melting. Oh yeah, I should probably take it shoveling because it's popping up now. I can walk now, see that? But that's what happened. Today's title of the video: I crashed my rebuilt tractor. I crashed my custom built tractor. That's a good type of video right there. Sorry, I'm out of breath. That was tough to push it. Oh man, I really did crash it pretty good. I mean, I bent the whole frame, I think. So. Man, that's not good. I just hit a big piece of ice. You guys will see it in the video. I mean, it was there already. If I have it on video, I know I do. But I'll catch you guys and I'll let you know what's happening next, okay? See you guys.